Today, we learn how to disagree with opinions politely in English. The three key phrases are I disagree, I do not think so, and I see it differently. These expressions help maintain good relationships while sharing different views. Learning to disagree politely maintains healthy relationships while expressing different views. It is an essential skill for professional and academic discussions. It shows respect for others while sharing your perspective. I disagree is used when you strongly do not share the same opinion and the situation feels direct and confident. Use it when you clearly have a different opinion and the other person expects honest feedback. It sounds strong and direct, so it works best in neutral or professional contexts. I do not think so is a softer way to disagree that expresses doubt rather than strong opposition. It is perfect for casual conversations with friends or when you want to sound less confrontational. This phrase is gentle and shows you are open to discussion. I see it differently is the most diplomatic way to disagree. It acknowledges the other person's view while sharing yours. Use it for sensitive topics, professional disagreements, or when maintaining harmony matters most. It is very respectful and opens the door for constructive dialogue. Here is the summary of our three key phrases. I disagree is direct and strong, perfect for professional situations. I do not think so expresses gentle doubt for casual conversations. I see it differently as diplomatic and ideal for sensitive topics. In this real conversation example, Alex says pineapple on pizza is the best topping ever. Sarah responds with I see it differently and prefers classic cheese and pepperoni. Notice how she acknowledges his view while sharing hers politely. Smile while speaking because your tone matters more than your words. Add, but after your disagreement to show you are open to dialogue. Use the other person's name for personal connection. Practice these three phrases for any disagreement situation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.